First of all, I'm going to pick out a basic and thin brush and draw a geometric solid. Now, let's choose the Lasso tool. In fact, since we are dealing with straight lines, the best choice is the polygonal lasso tool. Let's select the whole area and fill it up with a dark color. So, the shortcuts to fill up an area in Photoshop are Mac Option Delete to fill up with the foreground color, Command Delete to fill up with the background color, Windows Alt Backspace to fill up the foreground color, and Ctrl Backspace to fill up with the background color. Let's suppose there is a direct light coming from the left. I'll select the left side of the solid and, using the palette exposure, I'll lighten the face. I'll do the same on the top, but a little less lit. On another layer, I'll create a cast shadow, a little bit darker than the darkest side of the object. As you can see in this image, these are the main kinds of lights and shadows. There is a spotlight coming from the left top, and the sphere here is lit by that light. This image is available for download in this class, and you can check it out whenever you want. Let's create a sphere and lighten it. For now, I'm not worried about the shape. Let's use the Lasso tool to slice the areas and lighten them using the exposure panel, creating the center light, the half tones, the reflected light, and the cast shadow. The highlight, Let's create another object. Let's do the same thing with a cylinder.